Hello, everybody. This is meteorologist Andrew Pinero outside enjoying the beautiful weather. Nice blue skies all around. The sun is out. I gotta put a little shade over where I'm sitting. Some bugs, so a little tiki torch behind me. It's a beautiful summer-like day. It's not officially summer yet, but it definitely feels it. Summer does start June 21st, but that's not too far off. So today it looked like it hit 90 in quite a bit of places in the tri-state. And we're going to be seeing maybe another day of 90-degree heat. So I do want to show you a couple things here, just a quick little weather update. So let me switch now to the computer screen here. And here, this is through the tri-state satellites, just showing these high, thin, little puffy clouds. Beautiful. They're called fair weather clouds. Nothing really too much to worry about. It's nice high pressure in the area, giving us this clear spot. And let's take a look at some of the forecast models. So this is the American GFS. And here, excuse me, we have, again, this clear spot right in the middle here. Nice, beautiful weather for today. Then going into tonight. We jumped a little bit too far. There we go. So this is today and going into tonight, clear as well. Tomorrow to start out, it's going to be fairly clear. But then later in the day, there is what's called a backdoor cold front. You can follow kind of the back edge of the rain here where the mouse is. That's the edge of the cold front. You can also kind of follow it right there. That's where these little kinks are in the isobars. You can kind of follow that with the cold front. This is called a backdoor cold front because it's coming in from typically backwards area. It's kind of backwards, or it's backwards from, or backdoor from Canada, I should say. So this cold front coming down, this is what's going to be triggering some storms throughout here. This is also what's going to break the heat. So depending on exactly when the cold front makes its way through, it looks like this is about 2 p.m. on Tuesday. If this is when the storms actually start popping up, this will put a cap on top of the high temperatures for Tuesday, and we really won't be seeing as many temperatures in the 90s throughout the tri-state. Because if we do see 90s on Tuesday, that means 3 days in a row of 90s, so that qualifies as a heat wave. So if this is true, we may not just barely make it to 90 or just below 90. Then advancing through that, we will see some showers lingering through overnight Tuesday into Wednesday, maybe a little bit Wednesday morning as well. Then starting to clear out on Wednesday, later on in the day. This is Wednesday night going into Thursday. Thursday looks like a fairly nice day. There we go. So it's still clear. This is still circling here. This is a high pressure. So this is keeping all this precipitation out of our area, and the high pressure looks like kind of a shield around it. So Thursday looks fairly nice on this. It's just going to be much cooler because we had that cold front come through Tuesday, dropping down the temperatures. And let's take a look at the NAM. So with the NAM, again, very nice clear skies. Going through the rest of the afternoon and into tonight. This looks like it's starting to show the storms develop, but it passes through a little bit later. So this is showing at about, let's see, 6 o'clock. So right around here, if the storms actually pass at 6 o'clock, we're going to see all of the temperatures go up a little bit more. So we're going to be seeing probably a third day of 90s, which would qualify for the heat wave. So it's close. But I'm going to say we're actually going to get a heat wave in some areas there. Beyond that, let's take a look. Not as aggressive with the precipitation after the storm moves through. So overnight Tuesday into Wednesday, nothing really too much. Wednesday morning, nothing really in the area on the NAM like the GFS had. After that, looks to be clear. So this is going Wednesday night into Thursday. It's also clear. That little ring right there, right here, or I should spin this way because it's clockwise rotation for high pressure in the northern hemisphere. So that's a high pressure. And that looks like it stays in the area pretty much through Thursday as well. So Thursday looks pretty nice. And this is showing the same thing on the NAM. that high pressure has moved off a little bit more, but it's kind of keeping these showers at bay, maybe just barely scraping southern Jersey, Cape May County there. But that's about it. So I just want to give you guys a quick little weather update with the beautiful heat that we have. Again, heat wave qualification means 3 days in a row of 90 or more. A lot of places are over 90 right now, so this would be day 2. And depending on the exact timing of those storms on Tuesday, that would be day 3 of a heat wave. But then the temperatures break pretty hard, and we're going to see temperatures going back down into the 70s. So going from the 90s to the 70s all within 24 hours. This is why I love the weather. It gets crazy sometimes. So I just want to give you a little weather update there. Definitely subscribe below if you want to see any more weather videos. I did also upload previously a little climate change chat video. So if you want to watch that, leave any comments or questions, feel free to leave them here, and I'll look at everything for you. This is meteorologist Andrew Pinero. Have a great rest of the afternoon and enjoy the heat before the heat breaks later on in the week.